Seriously, ang hirap maghanap ng gift, lalo na kung marami kang friends. But I found the ultimate hack. I went to Watson's kasi buy one get one promo ang BYS on the same product. Thanks Migo SJ for the Google. Start tayo with the lip oil in Citrus Shine. It's non-sticky formula but hyper hydrating. Parang lip treatment na. Next is the Lanolin Ultra Balm. This moisture lock keeps your lips buttery soft all day. So just a quick pro tip guys, if your skin is oily, focus on glossiest product like the plumping lip gloss only on the center of the lips, iwas kalat. And last is plumping lip gloss in Coconut Kiss. It has hyaluronic acid and peptides. Look, lahat sila may keychain. Ang cute kaya ang dami kong kinuha. Plus buy one get one, you get one for you and four a friend. Sulit na sulit for the holidays. Get that holiday flush on all your friends. Honestly, this is the easiest, cutest gift idea. Plus, it's quality. Hindi ka mapapahiya. Remember guys, promo is only from December 8 until 28, 2025. See you at Watson's before it's too late. Happy shopping! Bye!